Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to hit subscribe. My channel is MG Visuals under the series of Bisaya Programming. So I am using English and Bisaya as well for the Cebuano programmers. So this is the fourth episode of our video. So last video nagtalk about on how to use the SQLite database and then using the DB browser. Then we created, for last videos also, we created the index and we use the designer, which is the window builder. We have also the login window, and also for the SQLite connection, which is we created a class for this one. That is for the previous video. If wala pa kakakita sa video, you can check it out on my playlist, which is Bisaya Programming. So now we will continue this one. So in the fourth episode, we will add the JDBC driver. We need to download the JDBC for us to be able to get the connection from our string. So this is the string connection, which is the JDBC. This is the path. So in the last video, we created the database, SQLite database, which is CRUDDB. And yeah, for now, we were going to download the JDBC driver. Huwag ako lang i-attach ang link sa driver. There is a comment sa ato ang YouTube. Then I will put this one here na lang sad for as a comment. So just access this one. Kani i-access lang ni siya sa inyong browser, then download the file, because sa ako ang case I already downloaded this one in my downloads folder. Then if wala pa ka, you can click this one. I will put this one in the description below for the length. And in my case, I will try to check if okay na siya. So na siya dari sa no, I have here the SQLite JDBC 3.34.0.jar. So this is my JDBC driver. So once na nakaani, mo na siya na-download na to sa kaninga link, which is the hacksmile.com. Right click here, then new, then ang iban, no, for instance wala siya folder dira, you can directly go to other. Dayon we will go to general. Okay, nada na siya sa general, then folder, if wala siya sa katong inyong kuan. So in my case na siya, then I will click na lang katong folder. So if in case of wala dito, then you can navigate to other, then click general, then folder. Then you can put resources as the name of the folder. So we have now the resources here we added. So all we have to do is to navigate to our downloads folder. Masa siya na save ang inyong driver. Then click and drop lang dayon. Click and drop. Dayon click lang kaning copy files. So once na siya diri sa ato ang resources na folder, ready na siya para ma-add na to sa ato ang GRE system library. As mahimo na siyang reference library. So we need to right click on the GRE system library. Then we will select the build path, configure build path. Dayon we will navigate to class path for this one, dire class path. Then we will add the add jar. So you need to click the class path para mag highlight or makita ang iyang add jars. So click lang ang add jars. Then we will navigate dito sa Bisaya Programming. Dayon we will click the SRC. Then na diha ang resources, na di ang SQLite JDBC nga ato ang click and drop nga to ganiha. Then all you have to do is to click lang ni ang okay, then apply, dayon apply, close. So we already successfully inserted the JDBC driver sa ato ang reference library. Dayon, we will try to run our program if wala na ba siya error. Sige. So we will try to run this one. Then, okay. So, okay. So, para ma-determine nato nga ang atong connection sa database is successful, we can insert the G option message sa atong connection successful. But in our case, wala na siya nabutan dito. But for now, we will try to check if ang ato ang connection sa database if nag-success ba. So, we will navigate to the SQLite connection and we will input the show message here. Ito na copy paste lang babaw sa return con. Ngayon, we will put here connection successful. Saka na siyang show message dialog. Control S to save, then we will try to run the login window. So wala makita. So maybe ang ato ang login window is wala pa siya connections sa gitawag diri sa class. So we will add a connection for this one. So we will add calling function. There is ato ang login window ni form or JFrame. So just type this one, connection is equals to null. So this will help us to get the connection from our SQLite connection class. Dayon, this one here, we will at below sa login window atong butangan dito og connection that equals SQLite. Kung say name nimo diri sa imuhang class, you need to declare this one here. So connection .db connector. We'll put one d.db connector para nga ma-connect. So this connection, it will help para to call the connection string nga to sa itong create nga SQLite. So na siya error, so we need to input I guess we need to forget to input the swing on so the SQL. So we need to import that one. So copy paste lang din sa babaw kani. We need to import this one in our login window dire para mawala na to ang katong error na dire kay wala man siya na-recognize. Wala siya na-recognize as the variable. So control V paste, then control S. So we'll try to check. So wala na siya. So ready to go na ta to check if our connection is success to our database. Because we already input this one here sa kaniha. Ito itong pag-run is wala naman siya nakita kaya wala naman tayo connection dahil nga ito sa itong login window. So karoon natin ng gibutangan o connection dire. This is the object identifier, then this is the connection to call the function of the class, which is kani. So as of now, we will try to run this one. We will try to see if makakuha ba ito sa connection. Okay, so Java lang na, okay, wala, not found out. So we will try to check if unsan siya nga error for this one. Okay, so sakto ato ang gibuhat nga string, wala siya. So we will try this one here, capital letters JDBC, control S to save. We will try to check if okay na ba. So expected. So as you can see, connection is successful. So meaning we successfully connected to our database. So for instance, kung ang imong database if nasa lain nga path, you can use this one. Pero if ang imong database is nalang tupad sa imong application for the source, you can just simply remove this one. If mahitabo nga ang imong database naa sa sud mismo sa imong package, para i-export nimo, pwede siyang mabutang bisan asa nga folder kay naka-more siya naka-universal o naka-global lang siya nga path. So muna siya inyong timan-an. Kay basin unyag mahibong mo nga export ninyo sa inyong program unya dayon ibutang ninyo sa lain nga drive, for example drive D na or drive C or another path na dayon na, mahibong ka nga imong database din nakakuha because ang iyang path dili na tayo mao. So this is the universal path lang. Make sure lang po nga ang imong database is nasod sa imong package. So that's it for now for our part 4 sa ato ang episode. Do not forget to hit subscribe and like the video and share this with one of your colleagues and classmates. And please subscribe to my channel MG Visuals under the series of Bisaya Programming. So in the next episode, for episode 5, we will talk about on how to add the code for the G button here for us to be able to interact with our database using the login table. So this will be our database. So if I'm going to show you our database. So in the episode number 5, we'll talk about on how to click the, let me add the database first. So we will engage with this one here na mag-input tag as user admin, mag-input tag pass admin sa ato ang user password. There is ato login window ato ang input dira nga dapat siya nga connected siya nato sa database sa ato ang SQLite, this one here. So please stay tuned lang and relax and take a deep breath lang, and please tell your classmates about this channel. Thank you and have a nice day. See you for the episode number 5.